Many people think that installing a conductive floor is complicated. Is it really? Let's take a look. Fortelock tiles are laid just like traditional Fortelock industry tiles. The only difference is that you must lay conductive tape under the Fortelock tiles. With its help, you will create a grounding network. Thanks to it, dangerous electrical charge will be safely directed to the electrical network or grounding rod. This conductive tape is simply laid around the entire perimeter of the floor, and also underneath each row of tiles in the horizontal direction, as well as under every fourth row of tiles in the vertical direction. In this simple way, you create a functional network, which you then connect to the electrical network. With a grounding kit, it is important that if you have an area up to 60 square meters, you use a minimum of 2 grounding kits. Then, for every additional 30 square meters, you will use 1 grounding kit, and in this way, you can very quickly and easily ground your conductive floor and protect your valuable electrical components. I believe we have helped you. And if you have any further questions regarding conductive floors, please do not hesitate to contact us. Goodbye.